सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चोयता इदकुनु नमक चा संतोष असा. आमगेल ये विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्वाने ये मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेयर and subscribe कोरका.
Devasthana Saru. If any one of you had a chance to participate in the GSB temple Samradhana in and around Mangalore, you will have tasted the unique, delicious saru and its heavenly combination with raw rice. This is so mouth-watering that when it is prepared in the temple feast, it is prepared in huge quantities. Amchi Kodial says this is the king of all sarus. It is also compulsorily prepared in the houses for the festival feasts like Chauthi, Ananta Chaturdashi Vrata and also on normal days too. This authentic basic recipe is by my friend and co-author of KKAJ blog Jayasri Shanai. So here is the Amchi Kodialche Sarache recipe. In a pan, first roast 4 red chilies with a little oil. Transfer it to a bowl. Then add 4 teaspoons of coriander seeds and roast to a brown. Keep aside in the bowl. Next add a teaspoon of jeera and roast till it pops. Next to roast is a quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon grated coconut and roast till it's brown. Add a drop of oil when you roast each time. Now, when the ingredients have cooled, grind to a smooth paste, adding a little water. Transfer the paste to a pan. Now, add 1 liter of water, including the water used to clean the mixer jar. Mix to make it even. Add a teaspoon of tamarind paste and switch on flame to bring it to a boil. Take 2 green chilies and 1 large tomato. Slit the green chilies and fine chop the tomato. When the saru begins to boil, add the chilies and tomatoes. Add salt to taste. Now add a small piece of jaggery. And continue cooking on low flame until the tomatoes have turned mushy. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now add a little hing dissolved in a little water to the saru and bring it to a boil. Switch off and add a tempering of mustard and curry leaves. Keep covered for a little while. Your aromatic saru is ready to be served. Serve hot with rice and enjoy. Do try out and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.